Welcome back to the channel. 15th of October 2022. Can't believe it's gone so fast, 2.5 years, and here we are at the final race of the 2022 MG Car Club Speed Series, this time at Combe. So kicking off by walking the circuit. This is the biggest one on the strip though, 1.74 miles. I think this is going to be a run rather than a walk. Conditions today, damp, moist, really fast circuit. This is going to be as fast as this midget will go on these straights. So some fast cornering, puts a bit more risk into it, but with risk comes the speed and big smiles. So from the start line at the end of the pits, out onto the circuit for what looks like a really fast start. First corner then, sweeping left-hander. That'll be fast. Looks like some braking and then a much tighter right hand, so get back over to the left. So this is the sweeping right. Looks like really good tarmac. So the challenge is to keep the speed out of this onto the next long straight. First proper feature then, the S's. Keep left, swing right. Avoid the rumble strip. Looks very wet this morning. And then scrub off enough speed before this left to avoid that very welcoming grass over there. Old paddock. I think the challenge here is going to be to keep the speed on all the way. I don't know about the car, but I know the driver's knackered before I even started. On with the running. So into a fast sweeping left. Bit more straight, road looks a bit bumpy up there. Over to the left then, to position for that right. So I'm guessing this is one of the corners I've been warned about. Tarmac's not so good. You need to scrub off some speed and then it gets tighter up here. No room for error there, straight into the wall. Look. So wide, maybe going slower, carry some speed off, and then I'll accelerate out the corner. Don't think that ended well. Or these ones. I think that one looked like it hurt quite a bit. Down into Bobby's, the next chicane. Same as before then, I'm thinking. Swing it in, keep straight. Try and get the power on out. Lots of runoff on the first corner, which is good. Not so much on the second. And I see what they mean now. Don't cut the corner. That wouldn't end well. On the power then now, last section. Another sweeping right hand bend here. One practice lap, 3 timed laps on this event, which should be really good. Puts the pressure on nice and early. So a good chance to get some good times on this really fast circuit. So I had a couple of questions about the points in the championship. MG Car Club operates on a timing system, so the fastest car to have gone round a circuit of a particular type sets the target time, and your time is judged against that. So if it's faster, percentage wise, that's the number of points you get. So if you're 1% faster, you get 101 points. If you're slower than that fastest time to have ever been done, you'll get less. So if you're 99% as quick, you get 99 points. So, and depending on how many points you've got at the end of the year, that determines your overall class and championship position. So there's the challenge. Carry as much speed as you can out of this corner, because then you've got another fantastic straight which should see the midget up into 4th gear, pushing 70, 80 miles an hour. So into camp, what looks like the final corner here. Again, note to self, Stay on the tarmac, do not undercut, that will have you off in an instant, and there's no runoff here. Well, that was Castle Combe. There's not many events I need a shower before the event as opposed to after the event, so I think coffee and a breakfast sandwich is in order before we kick off. So it's on to scrutineering, get the car ready, and then into practice. So with it being the first time here, I'm going to take practice fairly steady, get a measure of the course and the kind of speeds that are going to be involved, and then see if we can wind it up in the time lapse. Well, that was an interesting experience. Damp, a little bit nervous going into the corners. It's fast, lots to learn. I reckon from that lap I've probably got about 10 seconds I can make up. On to the time runs. So that's it, the 2022 season done. Another good day out, dry weather at Castle Combe. Certainly not let us down in terms of the thrills, the speed. Fantastic day. So let's look at the results and then see how we've done. Steady improvement through the day then. That'll go forward towards the overall championship results, which can now be calculated. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.